What you got here, huh?
So, got some motherfucking splitters here. You know what I'm saying? I think this is for the front. Yeah.
He's a BMW boy, guys, now. He no longer G35,
I think this goes in the front, no?
No, dude. These go right here, bro.
Ah, that makes sense.
So this would be this side then?
Oh, this is for the front.
Oh, that's the front? Wait, where is that then? Oh, wait, what? Oh, what? I'm confused.
Shit, I'm confused too.
Yep. What's up? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are working on the BMW. We got quite a few new things since you guys last saw it.
I think it goes like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, look.
Is this universal?
Yeah, I think that's what it is. Look. That looks more like the front split or splitter, right?
Yeah.
And then these, yeah, sure.
So.
Oh shit! What a dumbass.
Wow. So since you guys last saw it, he blacked out his headlights. He got new wheels and tires. Look at these things. Look at that meat.
Oh yeah.
Got that meat.
Performance ready, sir.
The rear, and then you have intake and blow-off valves.
Yes.
And then more to come with that. But now we're gonna be installing a front lift kit and splitter, side splitters too. You said?
Yes.
And a rear splitter. So quite a bit of work, or it's gonna be a big change.
For sure, 100%.
Before we get into that though, wow, he's doing all of that. I wanted to show you guys because I kind of did this off camera, but went ahead and did some more body working and got that primered white. It's looking really good. Quite a bit more to go, but kind of get an idea of what it's gonna look like. I'm excited to film this.
What?
I had these on my G35 when I first got my car, and they flew off on the freeway.
No.
Yeah, that's the reason why I got those side skirts, because of that.
So you're saying these are gonna fly off?
Maybe.
Fuck.
Yeah, guys.
Jeez. What we got here? Woo! Hell yeah. Ah. I was like, man, this guy's standing there too long.
That's
what I'm saying. I know there's like
There's a hole right here too, so it's not gonna. Right here. They close like that.
Hell yeah, that shit looks sick, bro.
I like that, yeah. That's cool.
Subtle.
Yeah. Sick. So we're gonna go ahead and get the other side, and then the rear is pretty much done. I think he's gonna throw his wing on. Are you doing that today?
Yeah, it's blue. Or
throw the wing on, his carbon fiber wing. The front lip on makes a really big difference.
Wow, huge difference.
Yeah.
The splitters are aggressive as fuck.
Yeah.
For sure.
Such a good baby.
Yeah, he's off the ground.
Oh shit. I'm sorry. Alright.
Woo! Some work, for sure.
Several hours later, and we made zero progress. No. So
we had a lunch break.
Yeah.
Since Ceviche and I were chilling, homie took a big dump.
Hey, now, come on. It didn't set too well with me. So we still have one more piece to go, but this is what we came up with. So it kind of like
This looks fire.
boom, kind of does that whole thing. First we mounted the centerpiece, got that all centered, mounted that. So before we mount that, since we have this up, we're just gonna go ahead and get this side splitter mounted up.
Yep.
And we're gonna have to trim two parts. One, since it's universal, we're gonna have to shorten it wherever it's gonna be at, and then a notch somewhere for the jack stand, making this guy work. It's been doing nothing all night.
Cat. I've been doing everything.
So pretty much what we're doing right now is we measured 79 inches.
Shit. Look, you just snap that shit off.
And then we measured 79 inches blue tape, so we're using some tin snips. Getting that cut. Oh shoot, did it crack it?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's why I was like, fuck, I should just snap it off.
Well,
we could just cut this end and then glue it there.
yeah. You can?
Fuck that.
So now we have that base, sort of, in a way.
Yeah.
Kind of broke it a little bit, but
we could get the little machine to sand it, flatten it.
yeah,
It's a little quiet, right?
it's a little loud.
Bitch ass neighbors who just don't want no work done here in the OC area.
Nope.
While my homies in Long Beach fucking taking out a motor for all I know right now. Probably hammering the wall for no reason. No complaints.
Yeah. Yeah, unfortunately. So actually that leads us to, so some cool things might be happening here.
Oh, you know, for sure we gonna be having some cool things, man. We about to start rapping. We about to be doing big jobs. We got a truck lined up, we got a hood lined up, and then we got, after that, we got a couple more cars lined up. So, you know, for y'all who wanna get rap, hit us up, man. As you guys seen, he wrapped my whole car, he built my whole car. We said, let's turn this into something legit, man, and do this to other cars. So, man, pull up, DM my boy for rap jobs, DM me for rap jobs, the Barber T _, right here.
There it is.
And
right
then, yeah, man, hit us up, man. We're gonna be doing this religiously.
This fool's been working barefoot and shit. Bruh. Smells a little sour, like funky. Hey. Alright guys, well, we just finished up. Oh dude, nah.
What?
This is, I think this is sticking out more. No?
Yeah.
Is it?
It is. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Look at this.
What the fuck happened?
We just try to rush it, dude. We're like, let's fucking go.
Dude, it's not late, but it's getting late. We've been at this for quite a while.
Hours. We bullshitting though. We're taking our time.
Dude, I'm tired and I gotta poop.
I know. Let's get it.
All right, we're gonna, yeah.
I think you just need to bolt the middle one or just scoot this
I
back.
gotta take those out and then push it.
Back, yeah.
All right, guys, we're gonna finish that and then we'll drop it.
That shit looks insane.
All right, take two. All right, it's done. All right, guys. So we got the side splitters, rear, and the front.
This shit looks crazy. Oh, look at this. Wow, dude. Wow.
Sheesh.
How?
Sheesh.
Look at that.
We got a whole new car driving home. It's a whole new car. It's just for you. Now leave.
Easy. Wow. This is like a whole new car.
It is a whole new car for sure. Look at that front.
No, the front
Dude.
looks so stupid, bro.
Yeah. What do you think, huh? What do you think? You like it? You like it?
He's
yeah, that's wow.
For sure, just drop this bitch a little bit.
Yeah, drop the front down. You put a dent, I'd laugh.
Oh fuck.
Yeah, drop the front down.
Yeah.
Golden. So
Wow.
quick little walk around. Got the side splitters, which I had to do quite a bit of trim. Well, not quite a bit, but a bit of trimming.
We did it quite a bit. Oh shit.
Front lip kit and diffuser. And by the way, all of this is universal, so
It was on eBay too. It was like $100 for everything.
not including the lip kit.
No.
The lip kit is made for the car.
Yes.
Why are we not focusing? And then the splitter, and splitter, all universal, eBay. So comment below, let us know what you guys think. But damn, dude, that's a whole new car.
Wow, it does look way different.
For sure.
Like way different. It's
Yeah.
so crazy what a splitter does.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Good shit, dude.
Cool.
Good shit and good shit for y'all watching.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We are done here. Got everything installed. Pretty sure he's happy.
I'm super happy. And we got my spoiler back on too.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, let's go ahead and show them that real
That
quick.
is a complete rear end, sir.
Threw his carbon wing back on as well. It's looking good. Looking good. He got here at like 6. It's literally it's 11:30, half an hour from midnight.
Yeah,
but
don't ever say something's gonna be quick, 'cause that shit ain't never quick.
I told
And
you.
then I don't need my Gorilla Glue. I'll hold it here if you want to hold it.
Yeah, whatever.
And then, yeah, man, that's it, dude.
That's a wrap. So just like that, guys.
Let's fucking go. Let's go.
Enjoy. Hopefully,
Stay
don't
tuned.
fly off on the freeway. It should be good.
All
But-
here is.
Aw, shit, well, there goes that. All right, guys, smash that thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. I'm hella tired. I'm gonna head inside. Hope to catch you on the next one, guys. Stop leaning on it. Till next time, guys. As always, peace out.